Let me ask you something. What if you could make an extra $500 to $2,000 a month without quitting your job or falling behind in school? If you're busy, overwhelmed, and still want to build income on the side, this video is for you. Today, I'm breaking down the best side hustles that actually fit into a packed schedule, and one of these you can start today with zero experience. Welcome to Cash Flow Corner, where we break down simple ways to make money, build income streams, and take control of your financial future. What makes a good side hustle? Before we jump in, here's the key if you're busy. Not every side hustle will work. The best ones have three things. They're flexible, meaning you can do them on your own time. They're low cost to start, so you don't need a big investment. And they have the potential to grow, so your effort actually pays off long term. Keep these in mind as we go. 1.
Yes,
freelancing.
finally.
First up, freelancing. If you have any skill at all, writing, editing, graphic design, or even basic social media, you can turn it into cash. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork make it easy to get started. And here's the key. You don't need to be an expert. You just need to be better than someone who's willing to pay. For example, a lot of creators need short-form video editors. You can learn that in a weekend and start getting paid within weeks.
Does that make sense?
2.
You just solve
Online
for X
tutoring.
first.
I
Next,
see it
online
now.
tutoring. If you're a
Thanks.
student, this is one of the easiest wins. You're literally getting paid to teach what you already know. Subjects like math, English, or test prep are always in demand. Sites like Wezant or Preply connect you with students instantly. Even just a few sessions a week can add up to serious extra income. 3. Digital products. Number 3. Digital products. And this is one of the most powerful. You create something once, like study guides, templates, or planners, and sell it over and over again. Think about it. If you've already taken good notes or built something useful, you can turn that into income. Platforms like Etsy or Gumroad make it super easy to start, even with zero audience. 4. Reselling.
I
Next,
just get
reselling. This is
TNA.
perfect if you want something
just-
simple and immediate. You can find undervalued items at thrift stores, clearance sections, or even Facebook Marketplace, then resell them for profit online. People are flipping everything from sneakers to vintage clothes to electronics. And the best part? You can start with very little money. 5. Content creation.
Oh
Now,
my God, guys,
let's
we
talk
just
about
hit
content creation.
4.5 million,
This one
and I
takes
got the
longer, but it
brand
has
deal.
huge upside. You can create content around anything, student life, productivity, side hustles, your career, and grow an audience over time. Once you build that audience, you can make money through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate links. It starts slow, but it can turn into something big. 6. Microtasks. And finally,
think we're good.
microtasks.
Pine,
These are small
love.
online tasks like data entry, surveys, or AI training jobs. They won't make you rich, but they're extremely flexible. You can do them anytime, between classes, during breaks, or late at night. Think of this as easy, low-effort extra cash. Quick breakdown.
Fast.
If you want something fast,
Scalable.
go with reselling or microtasks.
So the
If you want long-term income, focus on freelancing or content creation. And if you're just starting out, tutoring or digital products are great options. Consistency tips. Here's the truth. This only works if you stay consistent. Start with just 30 to 60 minutes a day. Batch your work so you're not constantly switching tasks. And most importantly, pick something you actually enjoy or you won't stick with it. At the end of the day, you don't need more
Everything
time.
is going exactly
You just
as
need the right
planned.
strategy. So, which side hustle are you trying first? Let me know in the comments. And if you want more ways to build income and create financial freedom, make sure you subscribe to Cash Flow Corner. I'll see you in the next video.